Hey, what's up, you guys? What's up? I'm back again for another unboxing video, and today we have the EcoFlow Delta 2 generator. Hey, this thing is a solar generator. This thing has 1800 watt output. It's a home backup station. You camping at home or wherever you need it, you definitely want to get this. It's going to be a rough winter, so you want to have some battery backup when the power go out. Let's see what's inside this bad boy. Of course, you got the instruction manual inside of it. So we got that right there. We definitely want to read that. This is very important. You don't want to make any mistakes with this. So this thing is heavy too, man. It's kind of got a little weight to it. Get all the little packing out of it. Hey, this thing has 2700 watt peak watts, 1800 running watts. Car charging, solar, AC, 15 outlets on it. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It's got an app that you use with it. Oh man, this thing's great. So let's put this on the side right now, and then we're going to come back to the main event, and then let's see what's in the accessory spots here. I like this. I bought this for the purpose that you could hook a solar panel up to it. That was the main reason I bought this, and it's very affordable. You guys know I have the link in the description. Inside this box, you got probably, you got your AC power cable, so you could charge it with regular AC too in the house, and you got your adapter for the car, so you have a cigarette adapter, so you can actually take it in your car if you need it in the car somewhere. So let's go to the main event here, the main unit here. I love this thing. You can power up to 15 devices. Look, it's got the vents up at the top. Both sides have vents on the EcoFlow. Great design. On the front, you'll see right down the bottom, you have the power button, main power button. You also have 4 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports. Right on the front. Here's the power button here. You got a power button that you can separately turn on and off the USB ports, and that's the main power button. And yeah, it looks like it's got a little charge on it, so it's definitely got a little charge. We're gonna get that baby up to 100%. Nice display, and like I said, it has an app with it. You know, there's more videos out there if you want to take a look at how the app works. I'm not gonna really go on the app, but it's a real nice app. On the back here, you see you got 6 AC outlets. And you got 3 12 volt DC outlets. So I really like that. And you also can join, put an extra battery in it. You got a little plug on the back for the extra battery. Here's your 12 volt right here. But that DC, then you got your, so you can put the big boy appliances on there. And see, also the little orange plug, that's where you plug in your solar panel. That's where you put in your main AC power. So you can plug a refrigerator, deep freezers, you know, it's got the big boy plugs on there. So definitely it's got everything you need. And like I said, it's got a little weight on it, but it's not too heavy at all. EcoFlow, great design. You know, that's where you want to plug up. So if you want to put an extended battery on it, you can get even more standby power, so you can buy that too. So nice, affordable EcoFlow. Definitely you check it out. You know, you're going to need it. It's going to be some power outages. It's going to be a rough winter. So as always, you know, I'm definitely going to have the link in the description. EcoFlow, get you one.